know this is hours later and this is like a random clip that I'm showing, but I found bigger bags and I wanted to show you guys because right after I purchased them at Target, I start getting replies and comments under the video saying, there's bigger bags, there's bigger bags. So I got some bigger bags and put the items inside. I kept them in their original bag and just put them in there so they can still stand, because I think if I just put everything in the bag, like the bigger bag, and take them out of here, everything will just be, you know, roly-poly. And what you call it, and I think that's it. Yeah. Now normally I don't have these bags in the back seat, but for right now that's what your girl gonna do. Normally I put them in the floor of the van, but look, it's just so messy. I gotta clean. Your girl gotta clean first, you know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all. Get this out the way. This is all their books that I gotta go through, but I can go in the floor down here. A pull-up? I have not been down here forever. My kids don't wear pull-ups no more. I got a pumpkin. I got to-go wipes. Yo. That's funny. I gotta clean under there. It's clean. It's neat under here. But a pull-up. A clean pull-up. Hey, shoot. The good thing it's clean. Wow. But put that back over there. But I can go on the floor there and I can go on the floor there. And this van is like a stow and go thing, because what the floor is really for is to take the seat and roll it into the floor. I would show y'all, but that's there. We're not doing that. We're not taking all that apart to do that. But let me put this back. And I don't know what's under here, under Eddie's floor. But look, it's just messy. I don't like that. I just can't stand a messy car. It sends me to a whole nother dimension. But it's weird. I could have a messy house, but I can't have a messy car. It just make me itch. But here's some store bags. Put those there because I'm about to head to the store, y'all. But anyway, yeah, you can stow these two seats into the floor, and then those seats back there flip the other way down into the trunk. So it's like a big, it basically will look like a pickup truck with a roof. That's pretty much what it'll look like. Okay, let me close this because your girl's about to head on out. After I do some cleaning, I'm gonna store those things down into the floor. Probably keep maybe 2 bags out at a time and then have the rest in the floor. And then when I go through 2, if I give 2 away, take 2 out of the floor, put 2 back there instead of having all 7 of them back there at one time. But yeah, yep. Let's head on out of here. Let's go. I don't feel like going, but I have to because I need to get some gas. And I ain't filling no tank. I'm just gonna do what I need. I hate when I wash my hands, or like when I wash dishes or something like that, and under my watch gets a little wet and then it starts itching. Does that happen, y'all? I look tired, y'all look tired. But I hate being at the gas station when it's dark outside. And it's kind of late now. Oh yeah, it's 8 o'clock. I was about to say it's kind of late. Not really, it's just dark. No, it's late. I'm at the gas station, y'all. Gotta put on my gloves. Yep, I keep a box of gloves. I know you're gonna laugh at me. But yeah, I keep a box of gloves in here. I'm like touching that thing. And it ain't just because of the homegirl Rona either. Woo! Now, watch me end up filling this tank. Watch. Okay, it's doing this thing. I put that back in there. I ain't touched nothing. I ain't touched nothing with this hand. I'm just sitting here. Is it doing its thing? Yeah. It's not too bad. It's real bright over here. Oh, the battery is dying on this camera. Man. Okay, I'll just talk to you real quick. But I gotta go to the grocery store. I need to get some milk, some bread. And then maybe a little bit of snacks for them. Oh, because I was going to tell you, duh. The reason why I'm doing this, because I wouldn't have did this at all. I'd have been home and I would have did this tomorrow morning after I dropped the kids off at school. The reason why I'm going like that is because there is no school tomorrow, because we're having a great winter storm. It's snowing. They didn't name it though, because Connecticut, they love naming their storms like it's a joke, like it's a baby being born and they're naming their baby. They're like they're naming their child. Schools are already closed. Christopher's school got closed way before Lizzie's and Eddie's school got closed. But there's no school tomorrow because the snow that's coming. It's completely dry as a bone out here right now. There's no snow, not yet. It's supposed to snow like 1 o'clock in the morning and just go all the way until like mid-morning, I think. And since we are very low and behind on DOT workers, this Department of Transportation workers, they pretty much close almost all the schools because they're not going to be able to shovel up fast enough for them to go to school. Hold on. It did stop. Yeah. Hold on. Okay. There we go. Ugh. Big Kimberly always asks, do you want a receipt? But there's no more paper in there. It came up to, it was 9 cents short of $80. Oh. The Connecticut gas is so expensive here, and a van. This thing is always so hungry. Oh Lord, I can't even go around. I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the doggone mood. I do not want to hit that car. Let me hit up into this grocery store. I should be there in like a couple of seconds and get what I need to get. I'm not going grocery shopping. It's just, you know, just something real quick because they're gonna be home. Mommy, I'm hungry. It's like, why are they so extra hungry when they're not in school? Like, you wouldn't be eating this much in school. I'm still gonna make that lunch in the morning. I sure am. Still gonna make that lunch in the morning, and they just gonna grab their lunchbox and eat when it's eating time, and then make them little monkeys clean their bedroom tomorrow. Oh. How you feeling? That's what they're gonna do. They're gonna clean that room up under the bed. They're gonna be washing down window sills. Play me. I'm gonna be interrupting my Friday. Some doggone snowstorm. Foolishness. Shoot. But they're in bed right now. Nana's chilling. She was like, you didn't go to the store. I said, no, I wanted to make sure they were in bed, so don't be driving you crazy. So they're in bed, and I just ran out to the store and to the gas station. So I will see you guys inside. On the flip side, I can't believe this thing is blinking that the battery's dying and it still hasn't died yet. How you feeling? Like, I had so much stuff to tell y'all in my mind and I can't even think. But let me go in the store because I'll sit out here and this store is going to be closing. The store closed in 45 minutes and I can sit out here for 45 minutes and watch the store close and all the workers come out while I'm sitting here looking silly. Let me get inside. There's no school today. Oh, and they're already starting it. Or should I say Eddie? I told them, I said, you will be cleaning. Yes. Yes. I told her to clean the mess in their room and Eddie died. Lizzie did it. Eddie died. He came back to life and cleaned that mess. And then now they're eating breakfast. And now I'm getting ready to put their lunch together. Because remember I told you last night, I'm gonna do their lunch. Yeah, so when it's lunchtime, just say, go get your lunch bags and enjoy. I'm not making you no lunch. So it's like 9 o'clock. And normally I get this done at like 6:30 in the morning. But I wash my hair. Oh, it takes forever to like comb through all these curls and the tangles and all the sensations. The girl ain't got no eyebrows on. She got her head scarf on. How you feeling? Got the little twist. Ding ding. Boom. I told him, I said, we need to find a snow-in movie. Eat some popcorn, you know. I don't know. But let me finish this. It's time for y'all to listen to some Dylan Sits overthinking while your girl gets this. Boom. But they stressing me out already. And it's only what? 9 o'clock. Boom. Y'all, what was that on my chin? Oh, it was a crumb. And I know you guys are gonna be like, girl, I couldn't pay attention to what you were saying because you had that doggone thing on your chin. Yeah, it was a crumb. I wasn't gonna redo it. How you feeling? Because some of us YouTubers do that. Like, we'll redo something if you're like, oh, I look crazy in that, let me redo that. But then it seems scripted. But anyway, let me get y'all Dylan sits overthinking. Just had to show y'all. There's nothing wrong with my chin, because I got annoyed with that. When I looked at the camera and I was going like this, I was like, what in the heck is that on my chin? And then I looked, I said, oh Lord, it was a crumb. Okay, so, okay, here's Dylan sits. So now when it's lunchtime, they can go get their bag all themselves and their snack bag at snack time. Mama don't have to do a thing in the kitchen. Mama don't have to do a thing in the kitchen. Yes, do that. When there's no school day, like when there's no school day, make their snack and their lunch pre. That didn't make any sense, that sentence. Just make it. Just make their lunch before it's time. And just have them go get it themselves. You don't know what the day is going to bring. You don't know if they're going to stress you out. Look, one already coming in here now.
I'm just throwing trash away.
It became trash when Mama started talking on the camera. Before then, it was just whatever. It was art. It was paper. It was a prize. It was a project. Mama starts talking on the phone, or Mama starts talking on the camera, it becomes trash. And I gotta go out there and see what she's doing. All the time. Look at that snow. I should have showed y'all earlier, because they done came out here and made it do what it do. Wait, let me zoom in on this person's car. Look how they trapped in. That's how much snow we have. Look at that. They are trapped in. I don't know who that is, but they're gonna be mad. And this car right here. Boom, boom. They trapped in too. And y'all, I didn't forget to put my car in the garage. Whew, let me get back inside. It is cold. But it didn't snow very much. Look at this. Let me unzoom this. Oh, look, it didn't snow very much up here. Maybe because it didn't come with a lot of wind. But yeah, because normally that would be a lot of snow up here. But whoo, it's cold. They're playing in their room. Let's see.
You just keep peeking.
I do keep peeking in here. I want to make sure you didn't kill my cat. Oh, he getting ready to run out. No, don't run out, man. Play with your brother and sister. Look at those cars. Wow.
Yeah, guys, it's like terrible.